Yes, you go on leaving the voice messages, okay?
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Okay,
One
okay.
one thing,
Yes.
this is the thing. And another thing is that in every message you are just repeating the same thing one and again. For example, what
Okay.
are you doing now? Tell me about yourself. Then I am really so happy. These things are
Yes,
going
yes.
on repeating in this speaking. So try to avoid
Okay.
to repeat,
Okay, okay.
because if you
Okay,
are
I just I
repeating.
in the topic. I'm
Yes, yes,
regularly new topic I will invent.
yes, really, really, you will improve much better. And another thing is that you give me the messages just 1 minute, because if you
Okay.
uh, if you give me the messages 1 minute daily, there also you will get the improvement in your speaking.
Yes. I knew the my mistake. Then I rectify this mistake. Then I will improve day by day. Okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
yes, it is really. Now, from where you want to start? Tell me about yourself, your study life. You tell me. For 3 minutes, you go on talking on your study life.
Okay. Uh, I'll continue.
Yes, you start.
Okay. Thank you. Uh, first of all, uh, I I want to say my introduction. This is Jyotiranjan, and first of all, I started. I completed my first metric. Okay, metric. Then metric in 2001. Then I had completed my plus two science in Jajpur. Okay, plus two science. 2004. Then some I was facing some financial problem in my family, so that's why I can study at that time. So slowly, there is a financial problem in my family is very very critical situation. So I had father retirement. Also, I just talking about my father. My father had a work at OMC, what is Mining Corporation. He, he retirement. Okay, he had retirement at the 2006. Okay, then after retirement, then I was I was starting my diploma in mechanical 2006 to 2009. Then after 2009, there is a with maximum time of financial problem, different type of problem I was facing, and then my mother was also expired 2011. There is a many type of different problem. Then there are some health issue. She was health
I
issue,
have told you
and
to talk
she
about your
mm,
study.
yes, I'm studying. Yes, I was completed my diploma in 2009. Then I went to the Haryana to the 2000. I think I was went to the Mumbai. Okay, uh, 3 to 6 months. I think 6 months. I was working in that Mumbai. Okay, that is actually the I think this was in Raigad district, Maharashtra actually. Okay. Then after 6 months, then I will return to Haryana. Then I was started a new job in Haryana in automobile. 4 years was I had work that that company. Okay, King 4 years. Then after 4 years, there is some health issue, so that's why um, I resigned that job, and uh, I was settled in Odisha. Okay, that's all my side. Hello, madam.
Really very good. Very good improvement you are doing. And I am watching that
Madam,
you are just dedicated on the speaking. But try to focus
actually,
on
madam.
the perfect subject. Let me finish.
Okay, thank you.
Try to
And
focus on the
actually,
perfect subject. The topic you have been
yes.
given, only try to speak
Okay,
on that topic only. And
okay. Thank you.
don't hesitate to share anything, because
Okay,
your sharing will give you the improvement of your speaking.
okay. Thank you, ma'am.
It is not about that we are knowing everything about you. You are improving in the from the inside, that how much you can speak. Only speaking power you need. You no need, I think that you don't need any effort of speaking. If you speak daily like this, then by 1 month only you will get improvement. It's really very great thing.
Uh,
And
I want to say something, madam.
yes, obviously.
Excuse me, just I want to say that I have some grammatical problem. I know, but I still improving it. Okay,
Yes, grammatical problem will not be the matter. Matter is speaking. When
okay,
your speaking will be continue, then
okay,
grammatical problems also will be solved.
okay.
And do you have pen and paper with you?
Actually, I'm just true. I was ready to for prayer seat. So just you
Okay,
said
no
me
need.
about
Okay, for today it
Google
is
Meet. So
not so important, but next day you try to take them with you.
okay,
Hmm.
okay.
Because
Yes,
if you
yes,
need
absolutely.
something to write, something to
Yes,
share,
yes,
then you will be needed to take the help of pen and paper.
yes, ma'am. Thank you. I
Okay,
will do it. I will do
that's
it.
all for today.
Okay, thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much,
Thank
madam,
you.
giving some time to me, and thank you your support and cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you.